Hey guys, welcome back on my channel RP Let's Explore. So guys, in today's video session, we're gonna see what is output methods and actions. Output methods is used to extract data from particular UI element. So guys, let's start today's session. So here I have already created a project, output methods and actions. So let's start to build up workflow. Here I'm taking one sequence. Output methods again divided into three categories like full text, native text, and the OCR method. So full text method is what exactly? It is a default method and it is good enough in most cases. It is faster and 100% accurate, and it also work in the background. So the native method is what? It is a compatible with application that uses a graphical design interface, and it is 100% accurate, but only those applications who support the graphical design interface. And one of the drawback of this native method is it does not work in the background. It can extract the text position and formatting, including the text color as well. And the last is the OCR output method. It works with the virtual environment and the reading text from the image. Its accuracy varies from one text to another, and it also cannot work in the background. Today we extract a particular text from the notepad. So go to the activities, and I'm using the open application activity. So in the project folder, here I have created already a notepad. It contains few text. So now we have to extract this text. So here click on this one. It is always good practice to give a particular name to your activity so that other developer will make understand. Then here argument, here I'm giving name of the text file. This is the name of RPA1. Then now we have to extract the text. So here I'm using the get text activity. So if you want to store this text in a particular variable, so here we have to create a variable. I'm creating a variable notepad data, and now the data is stored in this variable. Go to the variable panel. Here you are able to see the notepad data. Just in the scope you have to sequence one. Now if you want to show the data, here I'm using the message box activity and I'm passing that variable notepad data. And now I'm closing the application. I'm closing the notepad and let's see how it's work. Yeah, it's done. See, you are able to see here a message box which we pass our variable that store these data front end RPA integration. Here you can able to see, and the last one exactly where that element, this one. Yes, so our variable is able to extract store all the data. So yeah, so we see how to extract the data. In the next video we deeply see how to use these output actions, get text activity, full text, OCR methods, and native methods. So thank you guys for watching. Happy automation.